Hi guys, Flying CB here with you on this beautiful Saturday morning. We're up at about 5,500 feet on our way to Dayton. We're about 50 miles away. Going into
072, flying 200 vector approach.
On our way into Stevens Aviation. There's Tim.
4072, flying 200 vector approach.
200 for 34072.
Now that's my chase plane who's actually in front of me. And he's actually filed a flight plan. But we're on our way to Dayton, go over to Stevens Aviation today, and drop the plane off for a couple of weeks to have an autopilot. We're putting in the new Bendix, it's the old True Track, the Bendix autopilot. So we're kind of looking forward to that.
Columbus approach, Baron 653 Tango Charlie.
Baron 653 Tango Charlie, Columbus approach.
So anyway, we've got a light overcast layer. We're actually VFR up on top. Plenty of holes for us to get back in and out of. So we came up here because it's a lot less bumpy. We'll find a hole and drop back down here in just a little bit.
Baron 3 Tango Charlie, squawk 5303, I did.
So anyway, stay tuned. We'll kind of treat this as a little bit of maybe an ATC
Tango Charlie, radar contact 10 miles northeast of Oxford.
Refresher as well. This going into Dayton's a little unique. We actually have to call the remote center, which is Columbus, in order to get permission to go into Dayton. So we're going to drop down here pretty soon, get down below the cloud layer, and then we'll call up Columbus, turn the camera back on for that so that we can practice calling them up. Well, here we are. Sorry guys, I missed the initial call. We called up Columbus, we got our squawk code. They told us to expect 6 right. We're not too far away. Okay, landing checklist. Fuel pump is on. Tank is on the fullest. Mixture is rich. Primer's in and locked. Seatbelt secure. Doors, windows, lights. We're ready.
900 overcast. Temperature 7, dew point 3. Altimeter 3022. Simultaneous approaches in use, ILS runway 6 left.
072, turn left thing 150.
Left to 150, 072.
Cody 01 Heavy, Columbus departure, radar contact.
Papa 1556.
Air 669, traffic at 10 o'clock and 7 miles, be turning eastbound, 2,000 feet, climbing 3,000, ABC 17. Cody 01 Heavy, turn right to a heading of 120, vector for your climb. Out of the turn, traffic 10 o'clock, 7 miles west, northwestbound, Centurion 4,000. Number 074, correction 072, turn left to a heading of 080, 5 miles from Bruni, 3,000 feet to establishment localizer, cleared ILS 6 left.
For ILS 6 left, 34072.
Number 5304 Lima, fly heading of 180, vector for sequence to the airport.
180, 04 Lima.
Number 04 Lima, traffic you'll see at your 11 o'clock, 4 miles, 5 mile final for runway 6 left at 2,700, the Cardinal you have in sight.
Affirmative, 04 Lima.
04 Lima, pass behind the Cardinal, enter a left base, runway 6 right at Dayton.
Behind the Cardinal and then left base for 6 right, 04 Lima.
Number 5304 Lima, contact Dayton Tower, 119.9, have a good day.
Over to Tower, 04 Lima, thanks. Dayton Tower, Cherokee 5304 Lima is with you on a left base for 6 right.
Cherokee 5304 Lima, Dayton Tower, wind 050 at 8, runway 6 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 6 right, 04 Lima.
Number 04 Lima, city parking.
We're going to Stevens, 04 Lima.
Roger. Number 072, keep your speed up, roll down the runway, left turn, Bravo, Charlie to Stevens, remain this frequency.
Okay, keep it moving, left turn Bravo to Charlie to Stevens, this freak for 072.
Lima, continue down the runway, left turn, Bravo Charlie Stevens.
Bravo Charlie Stevens, 04 Lima. And tower on with you, 04 Lima.
Number 04 Lima, affirmative, remain this frequency.
With you, 04 Lima, thanks.